Yes, now we are discussing about agricultural options. In that today we are discussing about cranberries processing. Cranberries destined for driving are automatically seeded, cut in half and pressed then soaked in a sugar and water solution to make them sweeter. The side-to-side motion of the conveyor belt spreads the berries thinly so that they will dry evenly. The hot air dryer subjects them to temperatures of the 80 degrees. Next is how are cranberries grown and processed. Cranberries grown on the vines throughout the spring and summer. In the fall, there are two types of harvesting with harvesting wet and dry. About 90% of the entire cranberry crop is via wet harvesting. The berries picked during dry harvesting are those that end up fresh in your grocery store on or farmers market. Next point is what is the processing of cranberry juice? At the processing plant, the cranberries grow through a sequence of fruit crushing, maceration, mash heating, juice processing, juice pressing, and pasteurization to produce a cranberry concentrate that is separated from pulp. Next point is what is the preservation method for cranberries? Water remaining on the skin of the cranberry will cause the berry to blister when frozen and the berries to stick together. Pack cranberries into containers, leaving half-inch headspace for expansion, or freeze them on a tray and then pack into containers or freezer bags as soon as berries are frozen. And next point is how are dried cranberries processing. Cranberries are sorted and washed to remove debris from the bog in order to ensure the highest quality dried cranberries. They are the frozen to retain their high quality and natural goodness, which also helps break down their internal structure and release the vibrant red coloring from the cranberry skin. And next point is what are two ways cranberries are harvested. Cranberries are harvested in one of two ways, wet harvest or dry harvest. Most cranberries are wet harvested when the field is flooded, but a few are dry harvested with a mechanical picker to be sold as fresh fruit. When fields are going to be wet harvested, the field is flooded. And next point is where is cranberry grown in India? Where does cranberry grow in India? In India, cranberries found in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, Karnataka and AP and West Bengal. The bark and pulp are astringent and homeostatic. And next point is what products are made from cranberries? Seeds, cranberry puree concentrate, powdered cranberry, sauce, jams, jellies, etc. There are many uses that the fruit can be used for using one's imagination. And next point is what chemicals are in cranberry. Cranberry has high amounts of benzoic acid and lower amounts of 2,4 dihydroxybenzoic acid, p-hydroxybenzoic and o-hydroxybenzoic acids. The hydroxycinnamic acids in cranberry are p-formic, sinapic, caffeic and ferulic acids. Next point is cranberry a preservative? The cranberry naturally contains benzoic acid, which is known food preservative and is used in many foods today, so that not only did the cranberry and a little extra flavor to the meats, but it allowed the natives to keep the food from rotting for a long time. Next point is, what are the two methods of preservation of fruit? You can preserve late summer fruits and vegetables in four basic ways. These include freezing, canning, picking, and drying or dehydrating. Freezing is the simplest way to save produce. It is important to freeze the produce as quickly as possible and to do so in freeze grade bags or other containers. Next point is, what is the shelf life of fresh cranberries? 3 to 4 weeks. How long fresh cranberries will last? If stored correctly, fresh cranberries will last in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 weeks. If you opted to freeze them, they will keep well for up to a year. When frozen, you can use them straight from the freezer without defrosting. Next point is, what are cranberries soaked in water? Wet harvesting. Cranberries have pockets of air inside the fruit. Because of this, cranberries float in water, and thus the box can be flooded to air to aid in removal of fruit from the vines. And next point is, how do you preserve cranberries? Spread the cranberries out on your dehydrator sheets, then dehydrate at 115 degrees for 8 to 10 hours. If you don't have a dehydrator, spread the cranberries on a parchment lined baking sheet and dry at your own lowest temperature until dry. This may take anywhere from 2 to 4 hours. Next point is cranberry juice a dehydrator? The cells also contain lots of great rehydrating minerals such as potassium, sodium, chloride, and calcium, which are important for proper and healthy hydration. So yes, cranberry juice and other fruit juices can be part of staying hydrated. What are the facts about cranberries? What are the two facts about cranberries? Cranberries are one of the few fruits native to North America. The 5 states known for growing cranberries are Massachusetts, Wisconsin, New Jersey, Oregon, Washington. Cranberries have small pockets where air seeps into that allows them to float. Cranberries don't grow in water. How many types of cranberries are there? 100 cranberry varieties. There are more than 100 cranberry varieties, including Alfredo Compact, Bailey Compact, Ben Lear, Bergman Compactum, Crowley, Early Black, Howes, McFarlane, Pilgrim, Redwing, Cereals, Stevens, and Wentworth. These are the types of cranberries. It is wonder. And next point is, how many types of cranberries are there? 100 cranberry varieties are there. There are more than 100 cranberry varieties, including Alfredo Compact, Bailey Compact, Ben Lear, Bergman Compactum, Crowley, Early Black, Howes, McFarlane, Pilgrim, Redwing, Cereals, Stevens, and Wentworth. And next point is, what makes cranberries special? Many people consider cranberries to be superfood due to their high nutrient and antioxidant content. In fact, research has linked the nutrients in cranberries to a lower risk of urinary tract infection, the prevention of certain types of cancer, improved immune function, and decreased blood pressure. This is the information regarding cranberries processing. This will give a fundamental idea those who are interested to harvest and process cranberries. Wishing you all the best.